Well, after Jitin Prasad had dumped the Congress party, all eyes are now on former Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. It has been almost 10 months since his rebellion ended, but his camp feels that nothing has changed at all and the promises made to Pilot have not been fulfilled. It seems like round 2 of Pilot versus Gehlot war. Rumour mills have been abuzz about the next possible course of action for Pilot. India Today has learned that for now, Pilot faction has decided to adopt a wait-and-watch policy for the time being, not wanting to act in haste. Pilot is going to take part in Congress's nationwide agitation against rising fuel prices. That's going to be held tomorrow. 8 to 10 MLAs met Pilot at his residence today. Sources say they are discussing the action plan for tomorrow.
सचिन पायलट को लेके लगातार भंवर जितेंद्र सिंह ने भी कहा कि सचिन को जो चाहिए उसको दिया जाना चाहिए। क्या युवाओं की या कहें टीम राहुल की अब कोई पैठ नहीं रह गई, पहचान नहीं है? क्या आपको लगता है सचिन पायलट के साथ भी नाइंसाफी हो रही है?
नहीं, सचिन पायलट जी के साथ जो हुआ उन्होंने भी कहा और सबने देखा है और जग जाहिर है। अब ये क्या होगा आगे, क्या नहीं होगा, इंसाफ ना इंसाफ, वो उनको खुद तय करना है। वो खुद सक्षम वरिष्ठ नेता हैं और वो खुद तय करेंगे क्या करना।
Well, it's round 2 of Sachin Pilot versus Ashok Gehlot. Last year's crisis in Rajasthan that Congress papered over by setting up a panel to address issues raised by Pilot against Chief Minister Gehlot has resurfaced. Pilot has expressed his displeasure at the lack of action, saying that his grievances have not been addressed even after 9 months. Here's more.
Unrest is brewing once again in the Rajasthan Congress. In what is being seen as an open attack on Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Sachin Pilot has said MLAs are still not being given a platform to air their grievances.
सभी विधायक चाहते हैं कि जल्दी जल्दी सत्ता का विकेंद्रीकरण हो, मंत्रिमंडल का विस्तार भी हो और जो राजनीतिक नियुक्तियां मिली है उसमें कार्यकर्ताओं को समावेश हो, ये सभी लोग चाहते हैं। कमेटी ने कभी भी अपनी तरफ से अधिक रूप से कभी भी हम लोगों को नहीं बुलाया, न सुना।
A year ago in July, an angry Sachin Pilot had shifted his loyalists to a camp in Haryana amid speculation that he may even cross over to the BJP. Pilot was upset that Gehlot had sidelined him and MLAs had allied with him. Pilot was somehow appeased by the Gandhis, even though he lost both the Deputy Chief Minister and Pradesh Congress chief posts. At that time, a 3-member committee led by Ajay Maken was formed to address issues raised by the Sachin Pilot camp. Not much has happened since that panel was formed. But the restlessness is now erupting once again. On the 18th of May, Hema Ram Chaudhary, a former minister and 6-time MLA, resigned. Another veteran, Ved Prakash Solanki, also threatened to leave the party. The patience of Sachin Pilot and his camp is running out, but the party leadership still insists all is well.
जो भी कोई बात हुई होगी हाई कमांड से या जो इंचार्ज जनरल सेक्रेटरी से जो भी है उनको पूरा ज़रूर, जो अगर कोई बात हुई है तो उसको ज़रूर पूरा भी करना चाहिए। उसके लिए बात नहीं है और मेरे ख्याल से उनने वो बात उठाई है तो उसके अंदर कोई बुरे मानने की बात नहीं है।
सरकार को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं राजस्थान में, तो आप जानते हो कहाँ दिक्कत है। ऐसा क्या लग रहा है आपको? राजस्थान में ऐसा कुछ देखा हो तो आप बताओ।
Pilot's reminder on Wednesday came on a day when a Congress loyalist, Jitin Prasad, joined the BJP. Clearly a warning that the party high command cannot brush dissent under the carpet.
The internal rumblings within the Congress has once again exposed the chinks within the party's armor in Rajasthan. The Pilot camp has clearly expressed its displeasure at being sidelined, ignored and left in the lurch after the much public tussle between the Chief Minister and his former deputy last year. But the Gehlot government is bent on claiming that all is well within the party in the desert state. With Nikhil Sharma, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.
Well, the infighting in the Punjab Congress has turned into an all-out poster war. Hoardings with Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu have come up in Patiala in the run-up to the 2022 Punjab election. Remember, Patiala is Captain Amrinder Singh's constituency and his daughter Ajainder Kaur has confirmed her father is going to contest from Patiala again. And it's clear Sidhu is not backing off as the supporters have put up posters of the leader across Amrinder's constituency. This comes after posters backing captain were put up in Amritsar, which is Sidhu's constituency. The fight between the two leaders hasn't really died down so far, in spite of the Congress chief Sonia Gandhi setting up a 3-member panel to quell dissent in the party ranks. Remember, Punjab goes to polls in just a few months from now. With 8 months to go for the Punjab elections, Congress has another fire to douse. Chief Minister Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have been at daggers drawn for a while now, and this is surfacing once again. The interim president of the Congress party, Sonia Gandhi, has formed a 3-member panel to resolve this rift.
The Congress leadership's troubles are far from over. While it faced a major jolt in Uttar Pradesh with the desertion of Jitin Prasada, a bigger crisis is now brewing in Punjab, where the party is in power and holds advantage ahead of next year's elections. The rift between Captain Amrinder Singh and party MLA Navjot Singh Sidhu has been festering for months now. If Captain Amrinder Singh is the boss of Punjab, Sidhu has the star appeal that the Congress just cannot ignore. A 3-member Congress panel headed by Mallikarjun Kharge, formed to study the Punjab Congress's internal crisis, is to submit its report to the party high command anytime now. Sources say the panel is likely to suggest a replacement for Punjab Congress chief Sunil Jakar. Sources also say that the Gandhi siblings Rahul and Priyanka are in favor of Navjot Singh Sidhu, but this suggestion was outrightly rejected by Captain Amrinder Singh. The other two options for the High Command is to appoint Sidhu as the captain's deputy or to give him responsibility of the campaign committee.
मीडिया दी स्पैकुलेशनस ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਐਮਐਲਏ ਨੇ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਲੀਡਰ ਨੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਸਾਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਸੀਐਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਉਹ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਟੀਮ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੀ, ਦੋ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ।
What remains to be seen is whether the High Command will be able to quell the dissidents and rehabilitate Navjot Singh Sidhu. But asserting his proximity to the Gandhis, Sidhu often takes his own line. He ignored the captain's instructions when he visited Pakistan, once for Imran Khan's swearing in and then for the opening of Kartarpur Sahib corridor. Sidhu was blamed for the party's poor performance in Punjab's urban areas in Lok Sabha elections. Amrinder Singh changed Sidhu's portfolios, which forced him to resign as cabinet minister in July 2019. Since then, the party leadership has failed to make the two warring leaders make peace.
The 3-member panel headed by Mallikarjun Kharge has suggested various measures to end crisis in Punjab Congress. But two of the suggestions, including to appoint Navjot Singh Sidhu as state Congress chief and to give him a deputy chief minister's post, have outrightly been rejected by Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. The big question is whether the party high command will be able to quell the rebellion in state unit and to placate Navjot Singh Sidhu. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.